We have all seen situations where human life is in the balance. Situations in which a vertical flight aircraft could mean completing the mission or not, and in many cases, the difference between life and death. The ability to take off and land vertically has tremendous benefits on the ocean or on land, where the most direct route is up and over obstacles. Helicopters' forward speed is limited by the rotation of their main rotor blades. Tilt rotors and vectored thrust aircraft also have drawbacks. Clearly, there is a need for an aircraft that can hover efficiently, but reaches high speeds. From this opportunity, X2 technology was born. X2 technology is a suite of technologies that, when applied together, allows efficient hover and acceleration to high speed with no in-flight transition. Rigid, counter-rotating blades, seamlessly integrated auxiliary propulsion, fly-by-wire with advanced flight controls, active vibration control. Sikorsky successfully developed and flew earlier approaches to a high-speed helicopter. Several technologies enabling high speed with efficient hover have advanced to the point that they can be bundled into a technology demonstrator aircraft. With conventional helicopters, the retreating main rotor blade stall limits total lift. As speed increases, a region develops where the blade is rotating away from the direction of travel and no lift can be generated. This region grows as the helicopter's speed grows. At 200 knots and beyond, the blade in this region is stalling. On the other side of the rotor, the tip is exceeding the speed of sound, resulting in a dramatic increase in vibration and power required. The X2, with counter-rotating blades, breaks these speed limits. Each rotor spins more slowly to keep the rotor tip subsonic at high airspeeds. The X2 enjoys the full lift potential of the upper and lower rotor's two advancing sides. The full use of this lift potential enables flight at 250 knots and also enables unmatched maneuverability. The X2 aircraft with two advancing side rotors has 1/3 the turn radius of a conventional helicopter, making it more responsive, lethal, and survivable on the battlefield. X2 technology aircraft will hover, land vertically, maneuver at low speeds, and accelerate seamlessly from hover to forward flight. In a high-speed configuration, one or more pusher props are part of an integrated auxiliary propulsion system to enable high speeds with no need to physically reconfigure the aircraft in flight. To demonstrate the viability of X2 technology, Sikorsky has built an X2 technology demonstrator. This aircraft is designed to demonstrate 250 knots cruise capability in a helicopter. Sikorsky's X2 technology demonstrator has made significant progress since its announcement in June 2005. In November 2005, a surrogate helicopter equipped with the new X2 technology fly-by-wire system made its first flight. In November 2006, ground test of the X2 technology demonstrator aircraft began with its LH-Tech T800 engine and drivetrain components. Major assembly of the demonstrator is now complete, and final test instrumentation installation is wrapping up. Ground testing is marching the aircraft through its required acceptance test procedures, ATPs, prior to clearance for first flight. Sikorsky has envisioned applications of its scalable X2 technology in a wide range of missions, such as combat search and rescue, armed escort, and missile site support. In an escort role, imagine a situation where an enemy aircraft is spotted. In this time-critical situation, an armed X2 technology aircraft can engage and destroy the enemy to allow the mission to continue successfully. In combat search and rescue operations, downed air crew rely on the speed of the rescue helicopter to get them out of harm's way as soon as possible.
Bail out! Bail out! Bail out!
Scramble Charlie 1-1 and 1-2.
loaded. ETA to target, 22 minutes.
Roger.
In the same context, the CSAR aircrew rely on the speed and agility of their aircraft to get them to the survivors and back to safety.
Home plate, survivors on board. ETA 30 minutes.
X2 technology can also play a vital role in protecting the nation's assets from attack. Speed and the ability to take off and land vertically are vital to enable access to locations not available to fixed-wing aircraft.
DRF scramble, intrusion code 1 alert. Say 22, 23 en route. ETA 35 minutes.
Say 2223, have target in sight. Deploying TRF. Suspects in hand.
X2 technology, helicopter full spectrum performance from hover to high speed. Just imagine, what can X2 technology do for you?